Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online watching YouTube videos. So one of the softwares I use for my YouTube channel is called vidIQ, and I would recommend it because it's really good. And there's a link down below in the description to sign up, and every time somebody signs up and purchases a plan I get a small commission. So if you do click the link below, thanks for supporting the channel. So the very first step to make money watching YouTube videos is to go to youtube.com and then to find some popular YouTube videos. So let's see this video here by Mr. Beast. He always gets crazy views and knows exactly how to keep people watching. So he's a great example. I'm going to copy and put that link in my next browser here and then just keep doing that till we have like 5 videos. So Fail Army is also incredibly popular and they're pretty funny, so I'm going to copy this video and we're going to do that as well. So I found 5 videos that all have huge views and that I think are entertaining. So we're going to take those videos and we're going to make money with them. So the first step is to go to canva.com, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the thumbnail into Canva. So you can either use a website like this called a thumbnail grabber, or you can go to your video and then you can just search up the thumbnail. So I'm just going to go train versus giant pit, and here's his thumbnail. You can just copy the image and now we have his thumbnail. So now we're going to create a design here and we're going to paste in our image and then just put it in here, size it up a little bit so it's a bit bigger and noticeable. And now we're just going to add a text and then we're going to put click here. Just make it convincing. Make a nice ad. It shouldn't take very long. New Mr. Beast video. Okay, so now we got that. Click here, new Mr. Beast video. And now this is our advertisement. So we're going to go to a website called adfly.com. And then we're just going to go here and then it says, if you don't have an account, sign up. And then we're just going to sign up for an account so that we can earn money using AdFly. So you can earn up to $70 per 1,000 clicks, and it's easy to do. You get daily payments via bank transfer, PaySafe card, or Amazon coupon for a minimum of $10. So I'm going to show you exactly how to advertise this, and then you get people to click because they're interested in looking at Mr. Beast or whatever video you have. They click on it 1,000 times and you can make up to $70, which is a lot of money. So we're going to sign up. You just have to put in your information here. Okay, so now that I'm signed up, we can see our website here. It says the impressions 0, clicks 0, and links 0. So there's a few policies here. It is not allowed to link malware. You're not allowed to link misleading software, copyright infringing, or protected content, to monetize the deep links, loop traffic, to confuse visitors. So you're not allowed to put any of this stuff. So there's a link in the description to sign up to this website if you haven't already. And then we just go to create a link right here and then put your target URL. So in our case, that's going to be the YouTube video that we were watching. So grab your link and then go back and paste in your target URL and then click on these 2 arrows here and then describe your link. We're just going to put Mr. Beast video. Link title, describe your link with an appealing title. And then the link title is going to be Mr. Beast YouTube newest video. So this one needs to be at least 40 characters. So we're just going to put Mr. Beast newest video, train versus giant pit, released in 2023, just to make the text long enough, and check that off. Now we're going to put a link in the description. So I'm just going to put in this link, you get to see the newest Mr. Beast video released a few days ago on YouTube. I hope you enjoy the video and find it entertaining. Then we just hit the check mark. So we have to put something. So I'll just put, where can I discover content such as Mr. Beast? Okay, so we just filled those in. And then these are optional, so we're just going to skip those. So now we can put what ads we want to put on front. So we're going to do banner ads, yes. Dynamic ads, yes. Download manager, yes. So we want all of them turned on so we can get the most money out of the ad revenue, and then click on next. So now we have our link. So I'm just going to copy the link, and now I'm going to show you how to advertise this link. So go to pinterest.com. Pinterest is a very popular website with a lot of posts. and then we're just going to sign up to a Pinterest account. So now I'm in Pinterest, and now you just want to create a pin, and we're going to create a pin and then upload our image that we made earlier of this advertisement. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to put the link in, our destination link. Then we're going to say, see the newest Mr. Beast video, new video, and then we're just going to fill this out. So now we're going to publish it, and you can promote this pin, or you can just hope that it gets views naturally. But being honest with you, you're not going to get any views at all naturally. So I'm just going to say we can promote it for maybe $1 daily for a few days and see how many views it gets. And then you just promote, and then maybe you get like 500 clicks, 1,000 clicks. And they said that on average you get $70 per 1,000 clicks. So let's say you advertise to 10,000 people on here, 500 people click, you get 500 clicks, you get $35. So every day you could be posting one of these, and then you can make little by little, you can make more money because people are clicking on them. So I really think this is a method that could work if you're consistent. It might not have the best revenue, but it takes no skill and very little effort, so it's one of the best ways to make money online.